Welcome back to the third episode of this mini course of non-invasive ventilation. Make sure you watch these episodes in order, please. Last episode we talked about the PEEP, which is similar to the cpap and similar to the EPAP. In this episode we're going to talk about the pressure support. And pressure support, basically, this is mainly we use in pressure target. The modes of ventilation, they use pressure target. Target means how the ventilator or the machine will deliver this positive pressure breath using a target of pressure. And let me make it easy. Let me just put this. So we have pressure depicted against time. And we see this baseline, let's say A. This is represent the cpap or PEEP or EPAP, the same. And this is a baseline during inspiration and during expiration. Of course, now we need to deliver a flow to the deliver the tidal volume, deliver a flow and volume of air into the space. So tell the ventilator, please increase the pressure during inspiration to B, from A to B during inspiration. So it goes like this. As soon as the inspiration terminates, goes back to the baseline. So delta P, the difference in pressure between B minus A, this is the pressure support. This is what we mean by pressure support. So in pressure support mode of ventilation, that's what's pressure supported. In pressure control, this term is similar to the inspiratory pressure P minus PEEP. This is delta P. In pressure control, we give inspiratory pressure. So it goes from the PEEP to the inspiratory pressure. In pressure support mode, goes from the PEEP, it goes to the pressure support value we want to achieve. This is similar to IPAP. In bilevel positive airway pressure, this is the same, the pressure support minus the EPAP. So this is pressure support. So pressure support, the delta P is equivalent in the bi-level positive pressure to the IPAP minus EPAP. Make it simple. If you have a patient said, okay, we're going to put them in 10/5 bipap. This means A equal to 5 and B equal to 15. So the IPAP will equal to the A, the 5 plus 10. Now, this can be or get confusing because some institutions use a different term. Some institutions say, okay, 10/5, that means I will increase, the gap will be 10. So this will be the delta P and this will be the pressure support. So here in this case, the IPAP equivalent to the delta P equivalent to the pressure support, and we don't have to use this, okay, because simply you're saying IPAP of 10. So check how your institution works. My institution works that the higher number is the delta P, so the IPAP is equivalent to delta P. Some other institutions say no, this number, this number may represent the IPAP, so this, instead of going to 5, going to 10, and the delta P will be different. So just be careful, check what your institution wants or use. Are they going to use this or the pressure support directly equivalent to the IPAP? Now, I want you to remember this equation, that the flow into our lungs equivalent to the proximal airway pressure divided by airway resistance. And when I say proximal airway pressure, that means the pressure support, this value equivalent to the pressure support, equivalent to the delta P. And as you can see, the higher the pressure, the higher the flow. And the higher the flow, that means the higher tidal volume, which means the better ventilation. So if you want to ventilate the patients, then you play with this. While for oxygenation, we said we have these values to play with. Remember that, please. To ventilate, to give more tidal volume or less tidal volume, play with the delta P, while for oxygenation, you play with these values. I'll see you next episode. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you get to see the videos as soon as they are released. Glad to have you on board.